Hi everyone, it's Dr. D, and I'm going to show you how you can use Google Hangouts. Google Hangouts is an awesome tool because it allows you to connect virtually, you can share your screen, and you can have a conversation all on your computer without downloading anything. So it's a really great tool. I use it all the time. The first thing you need, obviously, is a Gmail account because Google Hangouts is part of Google. Once you log into your account, you're going to see the Google Apps icon. It's this number pad 3x3 grid that if you roll over, it says Google Apps. It's right next to your face. You click on that, it's going to show you all the apps that you have for Google. You don't see Hangouts here because it's in the next screen. You need to click on More. Once you click on More, you'll see the Hangouts icon. Click on Hangouts. Now we're in the Google Hangout space. You can see all the conversations I've had in the left. And now I want to start a new conversation. Hopefully by now you've already thought about who you're going to call, if it's a parent-teacher conference or you're working with another colleague on a group project. Do it with Google Hangouts. Video call is my preferred way. I think it's much more personal to see each other's face. You can also share your screen. That way, if you wanted to look at a document together, you could do that. So just click on the video call button. And here we go. You can see me. You can see two of me now. And now I'm in a live Hangout. All I need is some people to join me. So I can either enter their name if they're already in my email account, or if I have somebody's email, I can just paste it here. So I'll just enter a few friends that maybe they'll join me. That'd be kind of cool. And I can invite as many friends as I like. If my brother is available in Thailand, click on all my friends. I can also have a link that if I want to copy and share, let's say I have people waiting for me, waiting for an email from me to join the Hangout. It'll click, copy and click and on my keyboard. So then all I have to do is go and paste that link into a page. Then I just click on the invite button. All these people are automatically going to get an invite from Google to join me in my Hangout. Let's see if anybody joins. Now, a few key features is obviously I can have a chat with people while we are talking. That way, if there's one speaker and you have an idea but you don't want to interrupt, you can just add a message in the chat button. So you just click on chat and say whatever you feel like. And that will appear in my chat room. And so this is how you use Google Hangouts. I hope you liked my how-to Google Hangout session. Please share with your friends and make sure after your Google Hangout that you hang up your call. Just click on this red button here. If you are wondering why people can't hear you, make sure that this button doesn't have a line over it or you will be muted. Boom, mute. If you're just not up for people watching you, you can also put a line through this video button and hasta la vista, you're gone. Just your icon appears. Well, that's all I have for you today on how to use Google Hangouts.